So as you can see, guys, the argument continues between Maruna and Owethu. So Owethu is currently engaged to Bonko, and Maruna is Bonko's ex-wife. So Maruna had told Owethu ukuthi they slept with Bonko the night of the church service where they announced that Bonko and Owethu are getting engaged. So Owethu does not actually believe this. Owethu is being defensive regarding Ubonko, you understand? So Umaruna uyamtshela ukuthi if you think you know Bonko, you do not know Bonko. You understand? Akamazi Bonko because Ubonko usenza amaflop amaningi. Nandipha is officially pregnant, guys. Yabona, she is not taking the issue well, but she is pregnant, yabona, and the child Mafitoto. And Mafitoto does not know ukuthi the child is his, but Nandipha Bafethu is officially pregnant. Ngalena Maruna went on to fetch Bonko's vest the night Bonko spent the night with Maruna. And ivest Bafethu, she gave it to Owethu as evidence to see ukuthi Ubonko really slept with Maruna. You understand? But Owethu does not seem to believe that. You understand? And Maruna is telling Owethu ukuthi if you think you know Bonko, you don't know Bonko. Awumazi Bonko. Awumazi Ubonko. You understand? He is the same guy that actually divorced with him. You understand? With her, I mean. So uyasho ukuthi the vest in the perfume Maruna. You understand that? So Maruna must go and wash the vest because it's evident ukuthi these guys slept together that night. Uyabona. So uyasho Maruna ukuthi when she was still a bride, Ubonko was the one to actually throw her off. So how much more uyabona ngo-Owethu, uyabona, because Bonko can actually lie and is capable of lying ngo-Owethu if he was able to actually throw off Maruna. On the other side, bafethu Wendi is planning a house. Double story yakhe uyayifuna. As you can see, she is with this construction worker who is taking notes regarding the double story that she actually wants. So basically Wendi bafethu usefuna ukukhuphula indlu yakhe. She said what she wants in the house and what she expects. Good news for the garden tour or the garden concert eyenziwa eGenesis by Ubonko is that the biggest gospel star, one of the biggest gospel stars in South Africa, announced yabona indaba kaBonko regarding the tour laphana on social media, and that is Rebecca Malope, guys. So uNobuhle went to her mother Felicia to tell her ukuthi Rebecca Malope actually announced ukuthi about the tour and ukuthi Bonko is doing the tour and everyone is invited for the tour. Yeah, understand. So obviously it's a celebration to these two. Yabona, it's a huge step for Bonko to take. Regarding ukuthi Rebecca Malope also announced yabona Bonko's tour. So it's a good thing, but it's elevation yabona. As you can see, the family is actually happy about it. But on the other side, Besajabula Owethu comes and visits to Felicia, and Felicia can already see ukuthi there's something wrong yabona, and she knows ukuthi Ubonko cheated on Owethu but hasn't said anything. So as you can see on her face, Owethu is not okay, you understand, and Owethu wants no one besides Ubonko. So ushilo lapho ukuthi ufuna Ubonko, uyazi uFelicia ukuthi ukuphi Ubonko, she can go there, you understand, because she really needs to speak to Ubonko. It's very urgent yabona, and letelo Maruna is actually paining her yabona. It's painful yabona, and it's itching, you understand. So she wants to speak to Ubonko right away, and Felicia can already see ukuthi something is actually wrong there. On the other side, these two gentlemen telling Ubonko ukuthi Muzi Thabethe actually made a difference for them, you understand, and they're applauding and crediting Baba Bonko, and also accrediting Ubonko for establishing such a tour yabona, for artists and for fans to actually enjoy yabona. So looks like things are actually going very positive for Ubonko. It's good news for him. But on the other side, Owethu bafethu ufonele Ubonko, but Ubonko alibambanga ucingo, which is bad because Owethu wants to speak to Ubonko, but Ubonko had no idea as yet ukuthi Owethu ufuna ukuthini. Instead usend the SMS etshela Owethu ukuthi he's still in a meeting yabona, and the meeting is mostly about the concert or the tour yabona. So basically they were speaking about the tour. On the other side bafethu laba Gabriel nomsizi are already planning to actually destroy the tour. So Gabriel believes that he has all the power to actually do what Bongo is doing regarding the tour. Yabona, he was the one who should be actually announcing and actually inventing that tour. But Umsizi uyasho ukuthi no, Bongo is very bold, Bongo is very sharp, Bongo is very intelligent, yabona, since he was the one who came up with the tour lapha Genesis. Into abangaze bayenza is something they haven't like done lapha Genesis. So uyasho Umsizi ukuthi Bongo is very sharp, Bongo is very smart, he's very woke, yabona, even though these two are actually trying to like come and destroy the tour. But Umsizi is applauding Bongo, yabona, because their main objective is to come and destroy whatever Bongo has made in that tour. On the other side, bafethu ama-test athi uNandipha is pregnant. So she called uNobuhle umngani wakhe, and uNobuhle is nothing but a supportive friend to uNandipha. Nandipha is questioning herself what will she do, because her parents are gonna be so disappointed in her. Her parents are gonna be so mad at her. What is she gonna do? Because she prayed all night. She prayed not for the pregnancy to happen, you understand that, but it was too late, because she is already pregnant. You understand that, and Nobuhle being a supportive friend, she is there for her. They'll figure out a way on actually taking the next step, your pregnancy. On the other side, Elisha is starting to panic because to agree to wait for Ubongo lapana emotweni. So Owethu has been waiting lapana, and Owethu is so furious. She is so furious in a way she can even eat up Ubongo alive. So Felicia took the phone and called Ubongo to tell Ubongo ukuthi akaphuthuma afike endlini, because Owethu is there and she is waiting for him. You understand that? Owethu wants to speak to Ubongo. So Ausi wanted to actually get in this issue. Yabona ayokhuluma no Owethu, but Felicia did not let Ausi go and speak to Owethu. You understand? Because right now it's really bad. It's really bad, you understand. So Felicia uyamtshela uBongo ukuthi umkhuzile, yabona. Bongo was warned, yabona, ngale nto lena ayenzile regarding cheating, you understand. And uBongo has no idea, but now I think he knows ukuthi there's something wrong that he did, since Owethu is waiting for uBongo non-stop. So uBongo arrives uBongo lapana, and obviously this furious Owethu who I've never seen with Genesis, who I understand, goes and approaches uBongo, efika and meets uBongo halfway, and uBongo uphethe vest lana ayinike uMaruna lapha Owethu. On the other side bafethu uZakaria akatholakala efonini. These two have been trying, Nhleko has been trying to get hold of uZakaria. I don't know why they're calling Zakaria through. I'm not even understanding why. But I think it's because they want Zakaria to see the expansion here in of Wendy's house, you understand? But because Zakaria doesn't seem to actually respond to ama calls kaMpumi, neither Wendy. So Mpumi had convinced umamakhe ukuthi abuya phone futhi but still mayithi yafona uWendy, Zakaria isn't responding we call. So yaqala bafethi argument. There's an argument laphana, yabona, and Owethu is questioning uBongo ukuthi does he know that vest and whose smell is in that vest, you understand. uBongo is denying. uBongo uthi yena no, it smells sakhe, you understand. Owethu went more crazy, yabona, regarding the vest that she got from uMaruna. And as you can see, Gabriel is Tsombeni Emeno Bongo. It was the time where Gabriel told Bongo ukuthi whoever or whatever comes to you, you must deny everything. If Owethu asks you if you slept with Maruna, because Gabriel also knows the truth, you must deny everything. So Bongo thought about that. As you can see in the picture, Bongo was thinking about that moment where Gabriel told him, whatever or whoever asks you about Maruna or you sleeping with Maruna, you must deny everything. So Bongo straight away denied everything. He denied everything. Yeah, he was called by umamakhe to say Owethu was constantly crying, waiting for her, and he's furious, you understand. And it's a waste of time having to actually travel for him being accused. So basically uBongo is saying Owethu must stop accusing Ubongo. Owethu must stop accusing Ubongo. Well, I understand. Because what Owethu is actually saying is not true. It is not true. We understand. So uyasho-ke laphana ukuthi how uBonko ukuthi uMaruna was the same person who lied ngoBonko, saying that Bonko was the one who actually leaked her album, and is the same person who actually slept no Gabriel, yabo, and said that she is a virgin, or she was a virgin the time that they were engaged, yabona. And what's gonna make Oe to actually believe Maruna if Maruna has lied so much to Ubongo? I know Oe does not have any idea what Ubongo is lying, yabona. Even though Ubongo bem accusile, they have been accusing Ubongo, but at the same time, sorry about that. Ubongo is lying to Oetu. So let me know what you think is gonna happen next, guys. Let me know what you think is gonna happen next in the next episode. I understand. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.